Hi everybody, my name is Donna. I have a group called Beauty Secrets and More for the Mature Woman, the DIY way. Now DIY stands for do it yourself. That means get rid of those wrinkle creams, serums, toners, the very expensive stuff that doesn't work and has a lot of things in there that you can't even pronounce, that I did research on and found out that they were really bad for your skin. They're harsh chemicals. These companies don't want you to feel better about yourself or get rid of those wrinkles or those dark spots. They want to make money. They're in it for the money. So they put less product in their product and more chemicals or fillers, whatever you want to call them. And I've been researching for a year now, and I started modeling for a company called LP Cosmetics. You can look them up and you'll see from a year ago how I look then to now. I stopped using all expensive creams, all expensive everything. I started making my own stuff by doing a lot of research. And I had an overwhelming response to my group. My group was only open a month and I'm already at 200. And people are loving it. And every day I wake up, there's more people looking to join my group. And what's best about it is you make it all yourself. You can pick and choose what you want. You want to make toners? There's so many different types of toners out there that you can make. You want to make serums, wrinkle cream, body cream, soaps. I've made them all. I have about 30 or maybe 40 things posted on my site already. And they're just simply wonderful. I don't post anything unless I try it first myself. And I don't post it until 2 weeks. I wait at least 2 weeks. I want to know if the product is working. And the thing is, I don't sell anything. I'm not here to do that. But it's very important that I share my experiences with you because I'm more healthy now. It took a while for my body to adjust, I guess, to getting rid of the chemicals. I even got a little sick for a while there. And now I'm healthy. I was 96 pounds and here I am, strapping, healthy, 57 years old woman. Now my skin never looked better than it does now. And I am thrilled. I'm actually happy with the way I look. I wasn't before. Ladies, what's important is to drink water. Drink a lot of water. Keep your skin hydrated. Drink at least 8 to 9 glasses of water a day. It's very important. First thing in the morning and before you go to bed especially. Now, collagen is important as well. And putting it on your face doesn't go through the dermis at all. It has no chance. It sits on top of your skin. Anything you put on your face will sit on top of your skin. But there are different ways of doing things. And the DIY way I found to be the best thing for me, as did my members. I'm giving everybody an opportunity to join my group. It's private, so you'll have to request to join. If you can't find the group, message me. I'll be happy to add you. I have no trouble with that. I even purchased a jar of collagen, and I drink it every day. And it's berries, and it tastes great. And I can't believe the skin on my legs even, like that. When you reach a certain age, you get that look. It almost looks like snake skin. And all that's gone. I don't even have any cellulite, and I'm impressed with that. Because, let's face it, ladies, we are all going to age. But we can age gracefully and without the harsh chemicals. So please, come and visit my site. See what it's about. You might like it. Enjoy, ladies. I hope you come and visit. Bye.